Hello again. Since last time I saw you guys, we are keep cooking here. Tonight, I'm going to cook two dishes. First one we call Mapo tofu. Some of you know about the tofu, right? So I already cut it. Okay, I got this bag from the any grocery store. It says tofu. Okay, Tofu. But make sure you have to get something called medium firm. Don't get a soft. If you get a soft, you end up with nothing, like a bunch of whatever it is. Okay, you need to have some shape. So I put that I took that piece out and I cut it into little pieces here. It's very simple, and that's it. We're going to cook it 5 minutes or less. Okay, now the pan's ready. This is the dish. We'll get it done in 2 minutes. I'm not kidding here. First of all, we have to put a little bit of oil in it. Okay, it's that simple. Okay. Secondly, what we need to do is make sure the pan is hot. Then we put the tofu. Remember, I just cut the tofu off. Okay, let's just all put the tofu in. Okay, then guess what? Remember, oh shit, remember it's called stir fry, right? So what do? You keep stirring, okay? Stir fry, stir fry, stir fry, okay? Look at all the tofu here. They look shining, wonderful. Guess what? I would like to put a little bit of my chicken soup. Remember my chicken soup? Because I want to give tofu some flavor here. Because tofu has no taste. So let's put a little bit of my chicken soup. Remember, okay? The chicken soup is come from the roast chicken. Here we go. Okay? Now, the tofu tastes delicious. Okay? Then we let the tofu just cook a little bit here. And then we're going to put some sauce in it. Mapo tofu means it's hot. Okay? So that means we're going to put some hot sauce in. Remember last time when we cooked the kung pao chicken? Today we're going to do it exactly the same way. Okay? First of all, let's go with the hot sauce here. Hot sauce. Remember? The Chinese hot sauce. Remember how many spoonful I did the last time? I think I did 1 and 2. Okay? Then I put another flavor of the hot sauce in. Okay? I just love this flavor, but normally you don't have to do that. And I like to put a little bit of what the Chinese call the sweet sauce. Either you put a sweet sauce or you put a little bit sugar in it. Sweet sauce. Then you keep stirring. Okay, guys, you just keep stirring. Look, now the color changes. The tofu looks wonderful. You can see the hot, spicy things inside the tofu right now. Okay, so we let the tofu cook for a few minutes. Let it boil. Remember, it has a chicken soup in it, so the tofu will have a little bit of chicken flavor inside. Okay, chicken flavor inside. And always, you have to have a green onion. So let's put a green onion in. Here's a green onion. I chopped the green onion. Here we go. Then keep stirring. Okay? Just keep stirring. This is how easy it is. We call the Mapo tofu. Okay? Let me have a bowl here. Ooh, some water inside. That's all we have to do. It's called Mapo tofu. Let me turn the heat off. Oops, slip some of those. Here we go. You enjoyed it. See you next time.